If you're tired of relentless houseflies infesting your property and bothering you, your livestock, or other animals, then check out QuikStrike Fly Bait. QuikStrike Fly Bait is a fast-acting, granular bait designed to lure and control housefly infestations that have broken out in the low-level areas of industrial, commercial, or agricultural properties. This bait combines Dinotefuran and Tricosene to lure and kill houseflies, including flies that have grown a resistance to carbamates and pyrethrin sprays. To get this product and more with free shipping, check out the links in the video's description. QuikStrike Fly Bait can be applied right from its container or with a commercial fly bait station. Be sure to put on your personal protective equipment or PPE before you handle any pest control product. Before application, calculate the size of your treatment area and use that to determine how much product you'll use. For scatterbait applications, use a quarter pound of QuikStrike per 500 square feet. With bait stations, use 2 ounces of product per station, then set one station to cover a 250 square foot area. When scattering bait, just scatter the granules evenly on dry surfaces. Focus on areas where fly activity has been observed and avoid windy areas. QuikStrike may be applied daily as it's consumed to maintain continuous control. QuikStrike can be used around the outside of various establishments such as milking parlors, broiler houses, kennels, canneries, food processing plants, and refuse dumpsters. You may also apply this product inside enclosed areas inaccessible to children and in the non-food or feed areas around restaurants, supermarkets, commissaries, and bakeries. QuikStrike is designed to control fly infestations in the low-level areas of industrial, commercial, and agricultural properties. These areas include floors, ledges, gates, and other areas just off the ground. Do not use around unenclosed commercial dumpsters or in areas accessible to poultry or other animals. Apply QuikStrike Fly Bait at the start of each season to keep fly populations in check. It's also suitable for active infestations or when flies become problematic. QuikStrike Fly Bait is safe and harmless to people or animals when used according to label directions. Do not use this product indoors, especially in areas where children or animals may be present. Avoid using QuikStrike where poultry or animals, especially dogs and young calves, may be able to pick it up and consume it. While QuikStrike Fly Bait is effective on its own, fly control is most effective with an integrated pest management strategy. This includes sanitation, manure management, physical barriers, sprays, mechanical traps, and rotating baits with different modes of action. Keep in mind this product is highly toxic to bees that have been exposed directly. Do not apply this product if bees or other desired pollinators are actively foraging in treatment areas.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.